to what happened in West Asia. This week was rocked by massive, multiple synchronized attacks on Hezbollah militant group members. It began with pagers and went to walkie-talkies, solar energy systems, and home appliances. The attacks have led to concerns of a heightened West Asia conflict, with several observers saying it is inevitable as no side wants to withdraw. Take a look at this report on what exactly had happened.
First, it was pagers. Then, it was walkie-talkies. And then, it was unstoppable. Solar energy systems, fingerprint sensor devices, and home appliances. One by one, every device being used by Hezbollah militant group members were blasting in carefully synchronized attacks in Lebanon. In a first large-scale instance of cyber warfare, Hezbollah was literally blown away by attacks many say were orchestrated by Mossad. As panic spread and hospitals got filled with thousands of injured people, security analysts pointed to the new warfare at display. Device batteries tampered with, networks hacked, and text message beads leading to explosions. Wars have gone beyond the battlefield onto the cyberspace. Even as Israel launched intense airstrikes after these attacks, Hezbollah vowed revenge. In his first televised speech since the unprecedented attacks, Nasrallah said the attacks were a big blow in terms of security and humanity, but added that they have failed to bring the group to its knees. West Asia is clearly headed towards a deeper crisis, and an immediate ceasefire is the only solution. But with all sides unrelenting, that seems like a far-fetched desire. For India, the diplomatic tightrope has been a balance between Palestinians and Israelis. But any escalation between Israel and Hezbollah will mean Iran will be a part of the conflict, which could draw in the United States, presenting New Delhi with a far more complex diplomatic challenge.